ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. Today we will be doing about the letter writing. So letter writing is basically today we'll be focusing for the exam, okay? So how to write a letter if it is asked in an exam. How to write a letter to father, mother, anna, akka, for a teacher, for asking for a leave letter or for any permission, or you are writing some notice letter. So how do we write it? So there will be a different parts, different videos will be done. So in today's video we'll be learning how to write a leave letter, which is very very important. Okay, so are you still writing a leave letter for your teachers for asking for the permissions? If yes, comment madi. And also letter writing is a kind of a good habit. You can try writing a letter to any of your closed ones, maybe for your friends, appa irbodu, amma irbodu. Yes, maybe you are staying in the same place, but still you can write a letter and you can post it. It's a wonderful one actually. You can give a try. Okay, so now we'll start with the leave letter. So let me tell you the format. Nan format ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ leave letter, then you can fill up the subjects later. Okay na? So we'll start with the leave letter. Ivaga with the letter always there should be a from and to address, right? So first I will write the from address. So before from address, from is in the, I will write the date, dinanka, date. I'll mention the date of the letter when I'm writing that letter. Date is very important. Then I will write in the, since it is a leave letter, there should be a student name. Okay, so first I'll write the student name. Okay, then there is a grade, which grade the student is. If there is a section, for the section is a vibhaga, grade andre taragati, the class is taragati. Then I'll write the school name of the student, then the place, where is the school. Okay, after this there should be a to address. I'm writing a leave letter. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, first is ಗೆ, or it can be ಇವರಿಗೆ. To whom you are writing the letter, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Either we will write the letter for our class teacher or the headmaster or the principal ಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so that one we need to fill in the first one. Okay, ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಿಗೆ or ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಿಗೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ is a principal. Okay, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ is a teacher, the class teacher is ತರಗತಿ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು. ಅಂದರೆ ತರಗತಿ is a class. Okay, ತರಗತಿ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು is a class teacher. ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು is a headmaster or the principal. Okay, so then you will write which grade you are in. ಯಾವ grade, maybe 9th grade, 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿ, 8th grade, 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ, 7th grade, 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿ, 3rd grade, 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿ. Okay, so mention your grade. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ, either it can be for a teacher or the headmaster. Okay, so illi I'm sorry for the dog barking noise, children. This dog doesn't stop actually. Illi nimma grade baribeku. Okay, if you have even a section, you can even mention the section, which section you are in. So kannadadalli section is called as a vibhaga. Okay, vibhaga taragati. Taragati andre class, vibhaga andre section. Okay, taragati is a class, vibhaga andre section. Okay, so it can be 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿ C vibhaga, 6th standard C section. Okay, so first to principal or the headmaster or the class teacher. Next is taragati, the grade or the section. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು, ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು, your school name. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು, you will write your school name. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರ, ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ತುಮಕೂರು, ರೈಟ್ ತುಮಕೂರು. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೌನ್. ಈ ಥರ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್, ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನೇಮ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅ ಟು, ಇವರಿಗೆ or the ಗೆ. ಗೆ is a short form, ಇವರಿಗೆ is a complete form. ಆಮೇಲೆ I have to ಏನಂತಾರೆ, address the teacher. So it can be, so you won't write my dear teacher, correct? We will always write respected teacher, respected ma'am, respected sir, Okay, so that is Pujya. Pujya Gurugale. That means respected teacher. It's not a dear teacher. Okay, so it's always a respected teacher. So Pujya Gurugale barutte. Okay, so idadmele ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಷಯ. ವಿಷಯ is a topic. I'll write the topic. What is my topic? My topic is to ask the permission for holiday. Okay, for example, Rajegagi Patra. It's a letter for a leave. Okay, it's a very basic one. We can even elaborate this. Okay, Rajegagi Patra. Or very simple, Rajaya Patra. Okay, or I'm asking, I'm requesting, Raje Korikegagi. Okay, Rajaya Korikegagi Patra. Korikegagi. I'm requesting. Okay, Rajaya Korikegagi Patra. Okay, or I can also write Manavi Patra. Raja Manavi Patra. Raja Manavi Patra. Manavi andre requesting again. Okay, Manavi Sallisuttiruva Patra. It's basic one. I'm writing the very basic one, children. Okay, it's not even I can elaborate this. Okay, for right now I'm writing the basic one. Okay, idu nimma topic. This is your topic. After topic ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You will fill the body. The body of the letter will be filled. Complete ಆಗಿ fill ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ body of the letter. Okay, so you will say that I'm not feeling well, ನನಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಇದೆ, I have a fever, ನನಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ, I'm not feeling well, or there is a marriage in my home, my brother's marriage is there, my sister marriage is there, or I'm going out of town, I have some competitions there. So something, you can give any reason and you can fill this body. Okay na? There can be n number of reasons. Okay, adana fill ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. I'm discussing about the format of the letter, children. Okay, and how to write it in a easiest way ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. So if you are asking for a holiday, then you can mention ನನಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ, I am not feeling well, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ because of that ನಾನು ರಜೆಯನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will ask for a leave for 3 days or 2 days. Mention the date range. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು your standard ಪತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? From which date to which date you won't be able to go to the school, ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That mention and write the body of the letter. Then it's very important that you have to mention your name. ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಅಲ್ಲಿ your obedient student, that is what we will write, alva, your obedient student. So illi I'll write this part here. Okay, I'll write this part here. Inti, okay, inti is yours. Okay, nimma ವಿಧೇಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ, obedient student, ವಿಧೇಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ if it's a boy, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ if it's a girl. Okay, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ if it's a girl. And name, very very important. ಹೆಸರು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು, your name is very very important. And since it is a leave letter, it always requires parent signature, ಪೋಷಕರ sahi. So here the parent will thank you, that mention ವಂದನೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ. Okay, as the parents are mentioning. So parent signature really. So what do I write for parent signature really? But that is ಪೋಷಕರ sahi. ಪೋಷಕರ sahi. Okay, clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So it's very simple. First it starts with ಇಂದ, which is from, and ಇವರಿಗೆ to, then ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, teacher, respected teacher. Sorry, I left one thing here, which is a ವಿಷಯ. Okay, so ವಿಷಯ ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Vishaya is a topic. I have to mention the topic before the body of the letter. What is the topic here? The topic here is asking for the permission. Okay, Raja Manavi Patra. Raja Manavi Patra. It can be, I'm making it simple. There can be a n number of form. I can write a Vishaya. So this is all about the leave letter, Raja Patra, the formal leave letter which you can use in your exams. Use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This is one of the basic format for a leave letter. Kannadadalli, if it is asked in your exam, you will follow the same format. Okay na? So idana practice ಮಾಡಿ and write a letter and send it to my mail ID yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com. Let me do the corrections if there are any. Okay na? I hope you have understood this. Doubt idre comment section alli comment ಮಾಡಿ, or you can write an email, you can contact me through Instagram, or you can contact me through the WhatsApp messages. Okay na? So thank you so much makla. There will be another extended videos of the letter writing. This is one of the letter which is a leave letter. We'll be focusing on the other informal and the formal letters also in the upcoming videos. So until then, keep following, like ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು share ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. Knowledge will gain only when you share the knowledge with your friends. Okay na? And subscribe to Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, there are many more books which has already been launched and published from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. I request you all to check those books. The links are given in the description box. Hogi check ಮಾಡಿ if you are interested. You can purchase those books and you can also request for the hard copy. Okay, thank you so much makle. I'll meet you in one more video ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, thank you so much. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.